If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After initially opening Publisher for Microsoft 365, lists of recently opened and pinned publication files appear in the startup screen. To open a recent or pinned file, click the desired tab and then click the file's name. A pinned file is one you added to the pinned list for easy access, regardless of how long it has been since it was opened. To pin a recently opened file, hover over its name in the Recent list, and then click the pin icon that appears to the right. Alternatively, right-click the file and then select the Pin to List command from the pop-up menu that appears. To unpin a pinned file, hover over its name in the Pinned list and then click the Pin icon at its right end again. Alternatively, right-click the pinned file and then select the Unpin from List command from the pop-up menu that appears. If the file to open doesn't appear in any list, then you must know where it is saved. You can click the More Publications link at the bottom of the panel to show the open category in the Backstage view. Alternatively, to open another publication file if you are already working in Publisher, click the File tab in the ribbon, and then click the Open command at the left side of the Backstage view to show the same open category in the Backstage view. At that point, the locations within which to look for the file appear to the right of the command panel in the Backstage view. It shows the recent files by default. Note that in the Recent category, you can click either the Publications or Folders link in the right panel to change whether it shows Recent Publication Files or Recent Folders. You can also pin or unpin either using the same instructions we just covered. Clicking any publication file in the rightmost pane opens it. Clicking a folder in the rightmost pane shows the folder's location or launches the open dialog box instead. Below the Recent category, you can instead click either the OneDrive or This PC save locations in this list to show its folders and documents in the list to the right. If you select a SharePoint location, you must then browse the folders of the default site using the open dialog box that then appears. If you need to add a new cloud folder location, also note that you can click the Add a Place link in this list. Then click the button for the desired cloud service to the right. Then enter your login credentials to add the selected cloud locations for the associated login credentials to your list of saved online locations. You can click the folders in the list of files and folders at the far right side of the screen to then show their contents in the same area if needed. To move up one level from within a folder, click the Select to Navigate Up One Level button, which looks like an upward pointing arrow to the left of the current folder's name at the top of the rightmost panel. You can click any file in the list of files and folders to open it. To instead use an Open dialog box to find the file to open, either click the Browse button in the list of locations or click the Currently Selected folder at the top of the rightmost list of files and folders to launch an Open dialog box. In the Open dialog box that appears, navigate to the folder location to view, if needed, using the folder navigation tools at the top or left side of the dialog box. You should see an icon for the file and the file's name appear in the Files and Folders in the Open dialog box. To open a file in the selected folder, click the Files icon and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Alternatively, double-click the Files icon in the Open dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.